Every AI assistant you've ever used has the same silent problem. It remembers everything. Your throwaway messages, your typos, your okay got it, all of it, stored forever, quietly making your AI slower, noisier, and more expensive to run over time. I am Shruti Birari, and we have built Nexen, a cognitive memory layer that teaches AI agents what's actually worth remembering and lets everything else naturally fade away. Think of it as the difference between a brain and a hard drive. A hard drive stores everything equally, a brain decides what matters. Nexen gives AI agents a brain. At the core of Nexen sits Cogni, an open source graph vector database that acts as our long term memory store. Cogni is powerful, but out of the box, it remembers everything you give it equally. No filtering, no judgment, no cleanup. Over time, that graph becomes an asteroid belt of noise. Thousands of low value nodes slowing down retrieval, inflating costs, and burying the context that actually matters. Nexen wraps Cogni in four cognitive layers that decide what gets in, how long it stays, and when it gets pruned. So Cogni's graph stays fast, sparse, and genuinely useful. Here's how the four layers work. Layer 1 is the sensory buffer. It's the entry point, briefly holding every incoming chat, log, document, or event. Layer 2 is the evaluator. This is where an LLM powered by NVIDIA's inference microservices scores each piece of data for relevance and importance. Think of it as deciding, is this worth remembering or not? Layer 3, the memory consolidator, takes that score and decides the data's fate. High value information gets written permanently into the cognigraph, while low value data sits in temporary storage. And layer 4, the retrieval, is what makes this system truly unique. It continuously prunes that temporary storage, letting anything unimportant fade away over time, just like human memory works. We wrapped all of this in a Python package that talks to Cogni's API, handling data normalization, tenant limits, and orchestration, so any application can plug in with just a few lines of code. Let me show you this in real time. Nexen is running, all four layers are live. I'll ingest three memories that cover the full scoring range. First, okay, got it. Layer 2 scores this a 1, ephemeral junk, dropped instantly, never touches Cogni, zero cost, zero noise added to the graph. Second, I always prefer Python for backend work, scored a 4, high value personal preference, weight 100, decay rate 1. This memory enters Cogni and gets registered in the memory consolidator with a long lifespan. Third, always use Postgres, never use MongoDB. Scored a 5, absolute core rule. Infinite weight, zero decay. Nexen checks for contradictions in existing rules, finds none, commits it permanently to Cogni, and anchors it so it dominates every future retrieval. Now I trigger the ego decay sweep, watch it scan the registry, run the decay math, and prune anything that has faded past the threshold. Cogni's graph just got leaner without losing a single important connection. Three inputs, one dropped at the gate, two in the graph, the right ones with the right weights. The hardest problem in AI memory isn't storage, it's judgment. Nexen solves that by wrapping Cogni in a brain like filter that scores every memory, decays what's unimportant, and permanently protects what matters. That's Nexen. Thank you.